creamy matte collection. The packaging looks like tip of the lipstick. It is not, but you can. These colors are in general my favorite colors forever. Now my lipstick has turned matte. Hello, my name is Manjari. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to review a lipstick. This lipstick is by Maybelline New York. This is from their creamy matte collection. The packaging looks like this. They have written the matte creams on the packaging, and this lipstick is in the shade 676 East Village Rose. I will mention the shade name and number in the description box as well. This is Maybelline creamy matte lipstick. So first I will swatch this for you on my hand. I have used it for I think a couple of months, and then I'm reviewing this lipstick. You can see this is how the tip of the lipstick looks like, the shape of the lipstick like this, and this is how much product you get. You get quite a good amount of product for this price, and this is priced at rupees 299. Maybelline lipsticks are on sale most of the times. I bought this from I think I bought this one from Purple, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I bought this one from Purple. You can buy it from Amazon, Nykaa, wherever you want, Flipkart, because Maybelline is omnipresent and you get these lipsticks anywhere. Let's swatch the lipstick. See, this is how it looks. It is a pinkish, brownish, orangish shade. A very unique shade. You don't get shades like these. Generally you get either pinks, browns, nudes or oranges, but this is very different shade. This is a mix of all, and this looks very nice. I think this looks like a nude lipstick on duskier skin tones, because I am on deeper side of skin tones, so I don't know how it will look on lighter skin tones, but I think it will look like a nice brownish lipstick. And for deeper and darker skin tones, it will look like a nice nude shade. Now first of all, I am going to apply this on my lips. Before that, I like to line my lips with this Maybelline Super Stay Lip Crayon. I have a full review of this product. You can watch this somewhere here. I will link that video. This is the lip crayon I line my lips with, and then I will go ahead and apply this lipstick. How the lipstick looks. It looks really pretty according to me. See, according to me, I like this shade. This is from their new collection, and the formula is not matte, although they like to call it matte, but you can see there are definitely some particles and it looks shiny. It definitely does not look matte. It looks shiny and dewy kind of thing. It is not a matte lipstick, but they promote it as a matte lipstick. But you can turn this into a matte lipstick by wiping it off with some tissue paper, and that will give you a very nice matte finish. I like this lipstick both ways, either shiny or matte. I just like that because I love the shade. There are very few unique shades in the market, and I generally like to experiment with the unique shades. I am not the person who will apply regular reds. I'm not the typical reds kind of person. Even pinks, I do not like pink lipsticks. I don't know why, but yeah, I like very different colors, and I am inclined more towards brown and orange. These colors are in general my favorite colors. I tend towards those colors. Now coming to the waterproofness and staying power. First of all, it is not waterproof. It is not matte. It is kind of shiny. It is not full coverage. It is kind of sheer coverage. It doesn't give you extreme full coverage. It is not transfer proof. It will transfer. It will be washed out with water, so you will have to apply it again if you are having lunch or eating too much of oily food. It will definitely go away, and I like my lipsticks that way. I don't want something that is super staying, okay, that lasts forever. I definitely don't want those kind of products because they are pain in ass to remove. Like, it is very difficult to remove the waterproof and long lasting makeup. Long lasting lipsticks can also cause the pigmentation and darkening of your lips, so you don't want that. And I'm okay with reapplying and retouching the lipstick because that's okay, and we don't want to stain our lips forever. Staying power is, I think, 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, 4 to 5 hours, and if you eat, then it will definitely go. It is not waterproof, it is not transfer proof. My final verdict on this lipstick is pros are nice shade, good price point, you get really good amount of product at that price point. Cons, it is not very long lasting and it is not transfer proof, it is not waterproof. If they are cons according to you, I am quite okay with those disadvantages. Now I am going to check the transfer proofness. You can see I don't have anything on my hand right now, and now see, there is a whole fucking stain. You can see my hands are stained, and now my lipstick has turned matte. Depending upon what kind of look you want, you can go for either shiny glossy kind of lip, or you can go for the matte lip. I don't have any makeup as such on my face. I just have my brows done. If you don't do your brows, then please do that, because that will really give a nice structure to your face and you will look awake and beautiful, and your features will look nice. I hope you will like this video. If you do, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.